Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter service mode in your Ricoh IMC 4500LT printer. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.